Hello everyone and welcome back to my page. My name is Ankita Mehani. I am an artist and a Vastu consultant. First of all, thank you so much everyone for loving my previous video where I described about how I am going to combine art and Vastu together and create a different zone of work. And I got a really positive response from you all, and I've got that excitement now that I have to create those artwork which really are beneficial and have some very good positive vibes. So I thought of making another video today where I thought I should first tell you about what is Vastu, because my paintings, artworks, that whatever I do, I get inspired from nature, from any other artist, or whatever my zone is. But creating paintings on Vastu, first I thought that I should actually explain about Vastu to you all. So Vastu is a complete word with Vastu Shastra, but Vastu and Shastra are two completely different zones which are brought together for the beneficial of the society. Vastu basically comes from our Vedas, and it comes basically from Atharvaved. And in Atharvaved, we always learn to deal with our day-to-day activities on this earth and how to live with those activities, whether good or bad. So in Atharvaved, it is basically said that you should have a feeling of giving it to others. You should have that kindness of doing good to others always. And Vastu always says that we are the creators, we are the mediators, and we are the destroyers. So more we get into Vastu Shastra, we get those vibrations, those positivity around us, and we start feeling the changes, the slight changes that we do into our day-to-day life. Whereas our Shastra says that whatever activity you are doing, it should work with a positive reaction from the other person. So Vastu Shastra is basically a direction of science where we says Disha badlo, Dasha badlegi. In fact, gravitational force and electromagnetic fields also plays a vital role in increasing our health, wealth, prosperity and happiness. Even our human body is made with 5 elements, that is Jal Tattva, Agni Tattva, Prithvi Tattva, Akash Tattva and air element, that is Vayu Tattva. So apart from those 5 elements present in our human body, there are 4 main directions that we know: east, west, north and south, that is पूरब, पश्चिम, उत्तर एंड दक्षिण। ये चारों दिशाएं एक बहुत ही मेजर रोल प्ले करती हैं किसी भी वास्तु शास्त्र की प्लानिंग को पढ़ने के लिए, देखने के लिए, उसकी रेमेडीज के लिए। So it's like Vastu Shastra is a direction for providing happiness and a peace of mind to us. I hope that I am clear with my words, that the message I wanted to convey to you all, that what basically Vastu Shastra is. So Vastu Shastra basically is our peace of mind that we can get if there is some slight ups and downs in our life. Adding to it, I want to tell you all that now onwards, whatever artwork I'm making, I would like to explain the concept and idea behind it, because usually we, being an artist, have so many ideas in our mind, and we just make that artwork and upload it, and sometimes people just are wondering what is that. So I thought of actually making a short video explaining my artwork also, so that it is clear to you all about my concept that I'm using, and maybe it's helpful to you also to create if you have that creative mind and you have that zeal to do some art performing works. So I hope you liked this video also. Stay tuned for more amazing videos, and thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.